Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted audio in DaVinci Resolve. This is an incredibly useful technique to know, especially when you accidentally remove audio from a clip and need to get it back without re-importing your entire file. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it launches and you're in your project, navigate to the bottom of the interface where you'll see several workspace tabs. Click on the one labeled Edit. This takes you into the editing workspace where you'll have access to all the tools needed for timeline manipulation and clip management. Now, let's say you've accidentally deleted the audio from one of your video clips on the timeline. Don't panic. This happens more often than you'd think, and the recovery process is straightforward. The key is understanding that DaVinci Resolve keeps the audio embedded within the video file even when it's removed from the timeline. To recover it, simply click on the video clip that's missing its audio. Once the clip is selected, press the F key on your keyboard. This opens the clip in the source viewer, which is where you can preview and select specific portions of your media before adding them to the timeline. This viewer gives you much more control over what parts of a clip you want to use. Next, hover your mouse over the preview of your video clip in the source viewer. As you do this, pay attention to the bottom section of the preview window. You should notice a waveform appearing at the bottom side of the clip preview. This waveform represents the audio that's still embedded in your original video file. Even though the audio was deleted from your timeline, it remains intact within the source file itself, which is why we can access it here. Now comes the recovery part. Simply click and drag that waveform from the source viewer down to your timeline. Position it so it aligns with your video clip. As you drag it, DaVinci Resolve will snap it into place, making it easy to sync perfectly with your video. Once you release it onto the timeline, your deleted audio is now fully recovered and synced back with your video clip. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your deleted audio without having to re-import anything or start over. This method saves time and keeps your workflow smooth, especially during those moments when accidents happen during editing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.